guys, it's Cory. We're out here in Crandon, Wisconsin for the 50th World Championship off-road races. Everybody who's anybody's out here, we're prepped, ready to go. It's going to be a busy weekend for us, but we're really looking forward to it, and it's going to be a lot of action this weekend. Crandon always puts on a heck of a show every year, and this is the biggest one to date with the 50th anniversary. This town of 1,920 people brings about 50,000 people here this weekend, and there's a bunch going on. We got Kid Rock playing, parade Friday night downtown, tons of people, and they really pack the stands here. It's quite the spectacle. I've been really close to winning a race here at Crandon last year. I got on the podium, but to win at the 50th would be insane. I mean, everybody's out here, every class is stacked, there's so much competition. Pro 2 qualifying went decent this morning. I got stuck behind a couple other vehicles, didn't really get the lap I wanted. Still qualified 6th, we'll have a solid starting spot, and I just can't wait. So today in Pro Lite I qualified 8th out of 23 trucks. The truck felt really fast. We're making some changes to it and hopefully gain some more positions and see how the race plays out and see if we can be there at the end.
nuts. Starts were crazy. Had to restart multiple times, but yeah, made a few mistakes, but held it together and get second place.
I want to thank my parents this year for letting us travel back in the Midwest this year. We've raced here all year long. It's been a blast. Couldn't do it without them, of course. All of our sponsors, FabTech, General Tire, Ultra Wheel, Maxima Racing Oil, Impact Safety, Hypercoil, FK Rod-Ends, Motive Gear, just everybody that's helped us out. It's been an insane year, and we're looking to grow off this season.